Hello everyone! Welcome back to Sir Pax Learning Channel. Kumusta po kayo? Patuloy po nating pag-aaralan, tatalakayin as part of our review, Deped Order number 24 series of 2020 pa rin. At this point, tatalakayin po natin domain number 3, focusing on teaching and learning. Actually, ang tatalakayin po natin dito is about the different indicators per strand. So domain number 3, sabi po dito, on focusing on teaching and learning, concentrates on the work of school heads in promoting quality teaching and learning. This domain emphasizes the school head's commitment in providing instructional leadership towards improving competence among teachers and outcomes among learners. Importante po ito kasi as school head dapat mataas yung rate ng learning outcomes ng school mo. So dapat nakafocus ka rin sa teaching process, paano dinideliver yung ng mga teachers yung instructions nila, and the learners achievement as well. Paano nila na-achieve yung learning outcomes na dapat po nilang ma-achieve. In this domain, school heads are expected to provide technical assistance on instructional that relates to curriculum, practice, performance. They should also create learner-centered environment that ensures access to inclusive, excellent, relevant, and liberating education. So, provide technical assistance on instruction in terms of curriculum, practice, and the performance. A learner-centered environment as well ensures the access, the excellence, and other relevant and liberating education. So dito po tayo sa mga career stage. Ito pong domain number 3, meron po siyang 8 na strands. So titingnan po natin isa-isa ano nga ba yung mga strands ng domain number 3, focusing on teaching and learning process. Again, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa previous video lesson po natin, ang kailangan po natin kahit papano ay matandaan po dito yung mga keyword na ginagamit per career stage, per strand. So dito po sa domain number 3, mayroon po tayong 8 strands. Ang first strand is school-based review, contextualization and implementation of learning standards. So madalas po dito yung mga tanungan about contextualization Pero si career stage 1 demonstrates knowledge and understanding of school-based review, contextualization and implementation of learning standards. Si career stage 2 assist teachers in the review. So demonstrate si career stage 1, si career stage 2 assist teachers in the review of contextualization and implementation of learning standards to make the curriculum relevant for learners. Career stage 3, work with teams in the conduct of review, contextualization, and implementation of learning standards to assist teachers in making curriculum relevant for learners. Career stage 4, share exemplary practice. So take note the difference in here. Share exemplary practice in the review, contextualization, and implementation of learning standards effectively assist teachers in making the curriculum relevant for learners. So that is school-based review, contextualization, and implementation of the learning standard. So to contextualize is significant po yan. Teacher must know as well how to contextualize. And for the teacher to know it, the school head must demonstrate, assist, work with, and share exemplary practice for it. And then strand number 2, teaching standards and pedagogy. So Kaya may COT, no? Because importante ma-determine kung tama nga ba yung delivery, ano yung pwedeng i-TA, technical assistance, ni CO, cooperating teacher, class observer rather, kay teacher. Okay? Si career stage 1 or principal 1, demonstrate knowledge and understanding of teaching standards and pedagogies in and across learning areas to provide technical assistance of teachers to improve their teaching practice. So, demonstrate yung keyword. Si Career Stage 2 or P2, provide technical assistance to teachers. So, provide siya ng technical assistance. Si Career Stage 3 or P3, engage school personnel such as master teacher, head teachers, and department heads in providing technical assistance. So, ini-engage niya si MT, si HT, at kung may mga department heads pa. Si Career Stage 4, P4, exhibit best practice. So, yan, no? May best practice na in providing technical assistance to teachers for them to develop exemplary practice consistent with teaching standards and pedagogies within and across learning area. So, that is Strand 3.2. Take note, may 8 po tayo dito. Strand 3.3, teachers performance feedback. Medyo mahirap ito for for school head, pero may mga indicators naman tayo dyan, usually COT. So sabi po dito, as P1 or career stage 1, demonstrate understanding of the use of feedback obtained from learners, parents, and other stakeholders. So, demonstrate understanding. Si career stage 1. Si career stage 2 or P2, use validated feedback obtained from learners. Okay? Si career stage 3 or P3, collaborate with school personnel in effectively using validated feedback obtained from the learners, parents, and other stakeholders. Si P4, career stage 4, exhibit exemplary skills in effectively using validated feedback. Exemplary skills. Strand 3.4, learning achievement and other performance indicators. Si career stage 1, set achievable and challenging learning outcomes to support learner achievement. Si career stage 2, P2 rather, utilize learning outcomes. Set, utilize. And then si career stage 3, engage the wider school community. Okay? Si career stage 4, mentor fellow school heads. Oh, nagte-technical assistance na siya sa mga fellow school heads. So, that is Strand 3.4. Strand 3.5, demonstrate knowledge and understanding of learning assessment. In terms of learning assessment, si P1 or career stage 1, demonstrate knowledge and understanding of learning assessment tools, strategies, and utilization of result consistent with curriculum requirements. Nagde-demonstrate siya ng knowledge. Si career stage 2 or principal to provide technical assistance to teachers in using learning assessment tools. Si career stage 3 or P3, work with, involved in evaluating teachers' use of learning assessment. Take note for the keywords. Si career stage 4 or P4, lead initiative on the innovative use of learning assessment tools. So, ayan na yung mga differences we have to take note for it. Strand 3.6, learning environment. So, 5, assessment. 6, environment. Si P1 or career stage 1, demonstrate understanding of managing a learner-friendly, inclusive, and healthy learning environment. Ayan na. Si career stage, to manage a learner-friendly, inclusive, manage, demonstrate. Magkaiba po yun. Si career stage 3, engage. The wider, usually, engagement lagi pag si P3. P4, empower the wider school community in promoting, sustaining a learning-friendly, inclusive, and healthy learning environment. Okay? Strand 7, domain number 3, career awareness and opportunities. Si P1 demonstrates knowledge and puro demonstrate pagka career stage 1. Si career stage to ensure integration of career awareness and opportunities in the provision of learning experience aligned with the curriculum. Okay, ensure. Si P3 or career stage 3, undertake initiative. Si career stage 4, institutionalize. Hirap i-pronounce. Integration. Ayan na, of career awareness and opportunities into the school curriculum and all other learning experiences. So, strand 8, learner discipline. Kasama din po yan sa dapat i-manage ni SH, learner's discipline. Si P1, demonstrate knowledge and understanding of existing national and local policies related to learners' discipline. So, dapat alam mo yung mga policies, existing policies, and guidelines in terms of disciplining learners. Si P2, implement learner discipline policies that are developed collaboratively. Implement. Si career stage 3 or P3, ensure the learner's discipline policies developed with stakeholders. Si P4, career stage 4, lead concerted efforts among stakeholders. So may collaboration ng ginagawa siya with the stakeholders to develop and implement effective learners discipline, policies, and support students' growth and whole school improvements. All right. Ito po yung ating career stage 1 to 4 of strands 1 to 8 ng domain number 3. Ano ulit yung domain number 3 po natin? Focusing on teaching and learning. Ito po yung pinaka-main. Kumbaga sa ano, ito yung palaman ng isang school head eh. Yung teaching and learning. Kasi kaya naman may school kasi dahil sa teaching and learning na magaganap sa school na yan. Alright? That's all for now. That's all for domain number 3. Sooner, sa mga susunod po nating video lessons, ay tatalakayin naman po natin yung mga policies and guidelines that supports domain number 3, focusing on teaching and learning. Pagkatapos po yan ang domain 4 and 5. Okay? At kung bago ka sa channel ni Sir Pax, so mong kalimutang i-hit ang notification bell all and subscription button para ma-update ka sa mga susunod kong video lesson. That's all for now. Happy learning, everyone.